County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 a.m. At 2:13 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen, with heavier rain still to come. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Bensalem, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Palmyra, Bordentown, and Beverly. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 352 and 359, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 40, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 38 and 61, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
NWS Binghamton Flood Advisory.
The National Weather Service